Well, no work for Isringhausen and Parnell tonight because of the double duty they did last night.
On the outside corner, strike 3 call. Here's the 3-2. And did he go? They check it first. He struck him out.
Oh boy.
Paul Nart with the call, and Buck is down on strikes. 2-2. Back to Acosta. And the ball game is over. Manny Acosta gets his first save of the season, nailing it down for R.A. Dickey. And the Mets win their last ever game at Sun Life Stadium. They finish here with a winning record all time as they take 2 out of 3 from the Marlins.